As part of its 25th reunion celebration, the class of 1988, students who graduated in 1988 at a state university, held a reception on campus. In an informal survey, the director of alumni development asked 50 of the attendees about their incomes. The director computed the mean income of the 50 attendees to be $189,952. In a news release, the director announced, "The members of our class of 1988 enjoyed resounding success. Last year's mean income of its members was $189,952. A. What would be a statistical advantage of using the median of the reported incomes rather than the mean as the estimate of the typical income? To answer this question, we have to be aware that a mean income of $189,952 may be non-representative of the annual incomes of most of the members of this graduating class, because the mean is very sensitive to extreme values, so a small number of very high salaries may increase the mean of the 1988 class salaries significantly. Then, the median can be used for a better estimation of the 1988 class salaries, because the median is not affected by the extreme values, so a few very high salaries will not affect the median value. The director felt the members who attended the reception may be different from the class as a whole. A more detailed survey of the class was planned to find a better estimate of the income as well as other facts about the alumni. The staff developed two methods based on the available funds to carry out the survey. Method 1. Send out an email to all 6,826 members of the class asking them to complete an online form. The staff estimate that at least 600 members will respond. Method 2. Select a simple random sample of members of the class and contact the selected members directly by phone. Follow up to ensure that all responses are obtained. Because Method 2 will require more time than Method 1, the staff estimates that only 100 members of the class could be contacted using Method 2. Which of the two methods would you select for estimating the average yearly income of all 6,826 members of the class of 1988? Explain your reasoning by comparing the two methods and the effect of each method on the estimate. There are important differences between these two methods. Method 1, even though all members receive an email with a form to fill out, is a voluntary response survey, which only members wanting to participate will respond. This will produce a biased sample, and it's also very possible that the high-income members will be more likely to respond than the low-income members. This method may give a value that overestimates the 1988 class real mean annual income. In Method 2, the random selection of members can produce a sample including high, mid, and low incomes, resulting this sample unbiased and more representative of the whole class, regardless its smaller size. This method may give then a more representative 1988 class real mean annual income.